Ciumia igere thutha wa kuyukia wabici ta minista wa uruti wira wa muingi Florence Bore aumana kibarua gutariria kamitii ya Senate igii uruti wira wa muingi mitaratara iria thirikari iragathika niguo kugitira makiri ma Akenya aria marutaga wira mabururi-ini ma arabu kurumirira kuongerereka kwa ripoti cia Akenya kunyamario mabururi-ini ta Saudi Arabia.
We receive these reports, we see Kenyans being killed, we see Kenyans being violated, we see Kenyans something, and yet every time that story comes up, you only see it on social media.
Countries that take their citizens seriously will know where each citizen is outside the country and what they are doing.
Bore erite kamitii ino ati kwaga kigina gia kwigana guceritheirie mitaratara ngurani iria yarongoreirio kugitira Akenya aria marutaga wira mabururi-ini maya ari hamwe na kuhingura wabici na nyumba ya riuriro kuria Akenya aya mangiona wihitho riria maundu marunda.
You talk of safe houses, we are talking about hiring one building. Yet we have a large Saudi Arabia with many cities that require these safe houses, because you cannot have a distressed migrant worker moving from far. If we could have in these many cities, we would really help them.
Kamitii ino ni yuritie kunengerwo mendekithia maria maheanitwo thiini wa mitaratara wa watho ukonie uruti wa wira mabururi-ini maya wa mwaka wa 2022 watho uria utanyitwo kurehe kihonia makiria hari gutigirira kambuni iria citwaraga aruti a wira mabururi-ini maya ni irarumirira watho.
We still have the unscrupulous recruitment agencies that are taking our people outside this country. And the mere fact that we decided to harmonize our laws, which is a long-term issue, is because we realize that even if our laws here were strict, recruitment agencies were using other routes to take our people outside this country.
Gikaro giki ni gitanyitwo guthie na mbere kuona minista wa maundu ma nanja bururi-ini Alfred Mutua uria gutanyitwo ndanekinyia. Handu-ini ha Kamitii TV Kugitira wa Wadurwa.